If a parent uses the kid as a weapon against the other parent, we have a term which has been accepted by most courts, parental alienation syndrome. How common is it now?
Well, I don't have a statistical read on it, and I will say this, that so far the American Psychiatric Association hasn't deemed it a diagnosis. They don't find enough data to actually say it's a true syndrome. But yes, there's obviously tremendous evidence that does certainly suggest a lot of it, and in some cases, I mean, everyone recognizes it exists. It's the worst thing a parent can do to a child. What I always try to tell parents is, look, whether your child, again, depends on the age, whether they realize it or not, they know that their parent, their father, their mother, that they're a part of that person. And if you criticize the mother or the father, if you criticize in a damaging way your ex-partner, the child knows in some way you're rejecting them because they're a product of that person. And so that's why parents can't sometimes understand why they might have a spouse who was involved with drugs, alcohol, gambling, was irresponsible. And they feel that as a result, it's such common knowledge that the child needs to know this, that the child needs to know what their father was like, let's say, so they don't repeat the same mistakes. That's not a good way of educating them about how to be. You're poisoning them against their father, and what it does is it really sometimes backfires, and the parent can't understand why does the child get mad at them and doesn't really go along with them about this belief. So I tell parents all the time, if you want to educate your children about how to act, how to be a parent, don't use their parent, quote, the bad parent in their opinion, as the example.